Hey friends, if you encounter this error, this app will not work on your device or Amazon App Store, then please watch this video. Now, here's the thing. The reason is that it is not even supported in all countries. So, let us say I would try it in India, it will not work because India is not amongst the supported countries. I will slowly scroll through the list so that you can check if your country is not in this. So, as you can see, there are very few countries in which the Amazon App Store will work on your Windows computer. Plus, you will need very high system requirements like a 16 GB RAM minimum. Actually, it's the recommended one. And then you will need an SSD. You will need a 64-bit processor. And you will also need the virtual machine platform enabled. So this is not these requirements are not less. You can go and click on get the Amazon App Store and then open the link. Now, in my case, you won't find it because I am in India, so I am not even getting this option. Plus, here's one more thing: it will be ramped down after March 5, 2025, so you will not be able to use it anywhere else. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.